Hello, magandang araw po. Ito na naman po ang inyong lagalag na guro at nandito po tayo upang pag-aralan natin ang rounding of whole numbers. Okay, so our goal is to round up whole numbers. So what are whole numbers? So it's one or more than one. So they are all whole numbers. So as long as there is a whole number in your as your problem, so that is a whole number. So we will round it up. Okay, so what is rounding up? Rounding up means making a number simpler, but keeping its value close to what it is. So simpler means maybe shorter or smaller sa paningin. So but the value is close to its original. So this is less accurate, more or less, but this is nearer. So for example, 28 pesos. That is the exact value. So you round it off to nearest tens. So that is 30 pesos. So more or less, 28 is near 30 pesos. So something like that. O parang ganun po. So this is less accurate but almost almost equal. So this is a process of estimation. It depends on kung ano po yung gusto nyong ipa-round up ni teacher. Okay, that is the process of rounding up. As we discuss is malalaman nyo po kung ano yung rounding up. Okay? So but before that, dapat alam po natin what are or what is place value. So what are the place values nung number system natin. So for example, decimal place value. So of course, pag may decimal place value ka, meron kang decimal point. Ayun po. So ano po yung nasa right side ng decimal point? So you have tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. And on the left side naman po, you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So, dito THS, dito S, and DS. Okay? So, ganun po. So, dapat alam po natin ito kasi kung hindi po natin alam yung place value, mahirapan po tayong mag-rounding up kasi yung direction ng teacher is nakadepende po dito. So, next. So, how to round off whole numbers? So, alam na po natin what is a whole number. It's more than one. So, identify niyo muna yung place value. What is place value again? It can be ones, tens, hundreds, and so on and so forth. So, decide which is the last digit to keep. So, ano po yung i-keep nyo? Leave it as the same if the next digit is less than 5. This is called rounding down. So, but increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or more. This is called rounding up. Okay? So, bakit kaya yung 5 rounding up? Hindi 6. Okay? So, kunyari, isang team po tayo, 'di ba? Yung 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 'yon. Okay? 'Di ba? Right? Team. Dapat equal eh. So, kaya kasali yung 5 sa rounding up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, tig 5 po sila. Naintindihan po? Kung bakit ma'am kasama yung 5 sa rounding up? It's because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, rounding down. Rounding up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, tig 5 po. Okay? So, ayun. Next. So, example po natin. Round off 83 to the nearest 10. So, ano nga yung unang rule? Identify the digit for tens value. Identify mo muna ngayon kung ano yung nearest, yung tens. So, ano po? So, 3 is 1, 8 is 10. So, titingin po kayo sa 8. So, your value, your digit to keep or to I'm sorry, yung 8. So, ano po yung katabi niya sa kanan? Always right ang tingin po, always sa kanan. So, ano po yung katabi niya? 3. So, pag ang katabi niya ay 3, this is less than 5. So, ibig sabihin, rounding down. So, pag rounding down, if this is a whole number, you make it 0. Okay? Pag rounding down and this is a whole number, you make it 0. So, your answer is 8. Okay? Okay, we will be doing a lot of examples. Okay, more examples. Okay, ito po yung example natin. So, this is a grade 6 topic. So, round to the underline digits. So, ano po yung naka-underline? So, this is 1, tens, hundreds. So, hundreds. So, yung katabi niya po is 5. That is more than, ay equal to, more than or equal to 5. So, it's rounding up. So, you add 1 to 0. So, your answer is 9,000. And you make everything as 0. Remember, you don't make it 90 kasi this is 9,000. If that is money, from 9,000 naging 90, that is magkaiba po yun. So, you make everything here, the remaining numbers as 0. So, your answer here is 90. Okay, so number 2. Number 2, 2,198. So, this is, ang ginuhitan niya po ay tens value. So, paano naman po yung tens value? So, 9 na yan. So, tens value, ang katabi niya po ay 8. So, that is more than 5. So, mag-a-add ka ng isa sa 9. So, pag nag-add ka ng isa sa 9, hindi naman pwedeng gawin mong 10 yan. Magiging 21,000 na yan. So, di ba? Mag-carry 1 ka dun sa kabila. So, your answer will be 2,200. Nakuha po? Okay, 2,200 from 2,198. Okay? So, how about number 3? We will be answering 6 numbers lang po kasi hahaba po masyado yung lecture natin. Or 10 na lang. So, 1,407. So, this is thousands value, thousands place. No? Okay? So, ano po yung katabi ng 1? 4. So, ano po? 4 is less than 5. So, you make it 0. So, you retain 1. So, 1,000. Ang sagot po is 1,000. Okay? Okay? So, number 4 po, 9,020. 9,020. This is again hundreds value. Ang katabi po ng 0 is, nung 0 nyo, which is in hundreds value, is 2. So, 2 is less than 5. So, ngayon, pag ganun po, less than 5, ano nga gagawin? Retain. So, 90. So, you make everything 0. So, that is, your answer is 9,000. Klaro po? So, number 5. This is 10,000s. 10,000s na po. Yung ginuhita niya is 9. Ano yung katabi ng 9? 3. So, that is less than 5 again. So, ano gagawin niyo pag less than 5? Retain ang 9, 0 po lahat yan. So, your answer is 90,000. Okay, kuha po. Number 6, 85,512. Okay, 85,512. So, ano po yung katabi ng 5? So, that is hundreds value. Ano po yung katabi ng 5? 1. So, pag 1 po, again, less than 5. So, retain ang 5. So, your answer will be, tapos gagawin yung pong 0 tong dalawa na to. So, bakit ma'am ito hindi nyo gagawing 0? Wala po siya sa kanan ha. Yung mga nasa kaliwa ng inyong gustong i-round off, hindi nyo po babaguhin yon. Isusulat nyo lang ulit. Hindi nyo po babaguhin yun. Tandaan nyo yan. So, your answer will be 85,500. Okay? 85,500. Okay? So, next. So, 85,500. Number 9. So, number 7 rather. Number 7 is 9,103. So, this is thousands value. So, what is, ano po yung ang nasa right ng 9? So, 1. So, again, 1 is less than 5. So, ano pong gagawin nyo? Retain ang 9, you make it 0. So, your answer is 9,000. Okay? So, how about 143,017? So, ano po yung katabi ng 1? So, this is 100 thousands place value. So, 1, anong katabi ng 1 mo? 4. So, less than again. So, you round down. So, you make everything 0 and you retain 1. Ano pong ibig ko sabihin? Lahat to gagawin mong 0 and then panatilihin mong 1 yan. So, ang sagot po, 100,000. Last two numbers na po tayo. 21,572 and we are in the thousands value. Okay? So, 1. Ano po yung katabi ng 1? 5. 5, including 5, 5 is equal to or more than 5. So, 5 will rounding up. So, tataas siya, will add 1 plus 1 to 1 here. So, magiging 22,000. Nakusundan po? So, may mga link po tayo sa aking description box. You can have this example with answers. You can check what I am saying. You can check what I am saying. Masi-check nyo po kung tama yung mga sinasabi ko. And you can answer a lot of problems over the net so you can practice po. So, last number is 4,095. 4,095 is, ano yung katabi ng 9? 5. So, 5. So, that is more 5 or more than. So, rounding up. So, you add 1 to 9. So, your answer will be 4,100. So, that's it. As I've told you, meron po tayong link. You can check my answer. Okay? Pero we will check it now. Okay? So, did you write your answer? So, ito po yung mga sagot. Tama po tayo. 100,000, 22,000, 4,100. Okay? Okay po. So, if you have questions, clarifications, objections, you can write it po sa ating comment box. I am willing to answer you back. So, please be open para po alam ko po kung meron akong kailangang i-improve, lalong-lalo na po yung mga viewers nating teachers sa math. Remember, mga ma'am, sir, I'm not a math major technically, but I love mathematics like you do. I am a physics major. So some words, hindi ko po masabi ng siguro ng tama yung mga ibang salita. It's because this is a personal favorite ko lang pong subject talaga na gustong-gusto ko ever since nung ako ay nag-aral ng math, ng elementary. Kahit nung kinder po, favorite ko na siya. So, I learned how to multiply up to 10 times 10. I memorized the multiplication table when I was in grade 1. Okay, so trivia po yan. So, ayun. So, that's it. So, here are my references po. I will be putting this, ilalagay ko po siya sa description box so you can read and including the examples po, ayan po yung link nila. So, hindi po kayo, magaguide po kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Okay, and that's it. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para alam nyo po kung mag-upload po ako ulit. Do not forget to subscribe Lagalag na Guro. So, ayun po. So, this is, of course, bago po ako magpaalam po sa inyo, this is taken sa Brooklyn, New York, pagkababa po namin ng Brooklyn Bridge. Actually, this scene, makikita nyo po siya sa movie nila Enrique Hill, yung sa last movie nila po. So, sama kung napanood nyo po yun, yan po yung venue, yan po yung lugar na kung saan sila nag-shoot. So, thank you, mabuhay, love you all.